Morning, it's 10:45, Monday morning, and thank God Greyhound, she's gone. That bitch named Irma, she's not here. She's gone. And we made it. Things were okay. Let's just walk around the neighborhood. You can see these trees here from last night. They were having some problems, and you can see there's quite a few large limbs and branches down on the golf course here. But all things considered, it's in pretty good shape, right? We get a little closer and take a look at that. Take a look at the trees that are down. Pine trees. I hate friggin' pine trees. They break like that, like crazy. But the neighbors are good. The golf course in general. We don't have flooding out here behind us. We're in good shape. If I go down this way a little bit further, and the trees in this area, the larger trees down here, which are oaks, they fare a little bit better than those pine trees. Pine trees are just so freaking brittle. Can't stand them, right? So we've got some branches and things down, but all things considered, we're in pretty good shape. You can feel the winds right now. The winds are really coming. If you look at the trees, the winds are really coming from that area, which is more from a southwesterly motion. Yesterday they were coming this way from the east as it went past, and then they just turned around. We're still getting some gusts. They can expect up to tropical storm force winds throughout the day as bands come through, and we could still get rain. But right now it's just kind of spitting, a little bit windy, but it's not doing much. What we were worried about is this. We just moved in April, and this is these are vinyl windows on our patio. A little concerned and anxious about that last night because obviously they're not hurricane rated, and they were stressed and making some odd noises last night, but happy to come out this morning and see that we don't have any problems at all with that. And if I just walk around by the side here, and let's just come to the front of the house, you can see the houses. Our houses are pretty close together. My wingspan's about 6 feet, so our houses aren't more than 7 feet from each other. This is my south, and this is my north. So as the storm went by, the north-south, the homes actually kind of insulated each other from the weather as it went by. And here's the front of the house. So the front of the house is really in good shape. We don't have any issues at all. Let's up and down the street. I don't see any issues with anybody, not even, the palm frond hanging down, but that's nothing. So, and I come over this way. Don't see anything over here too. We don't have anything down. Nothing on the house. House looks fine. Right? So we really dodged a bullet. And we have a cement tile roof, which seems to have held up. They're heavy as shit, right? So all in all, I think we did good. And miraculously, we have power and cable. Spotty cell phone service, but I'll take that, right? I'll take that. So God bless. Thanks for hanging in there, all of us. Take care. Thanks for your prayers. And still praying for people in northern Georgia, in southern Georgia, where the storm's going. They're going to get a lot of rain, I think, and maybe wind. Our friends in Jacksonville, I saw Jill saying that she had some flooding. But Danielle, Nicole, Dad, you're all safe. Jim, Don Bradenton, you're safe. Glad to hear it. Bob, Kate, in Orlando, you're all safe. So Dave, you're safe. Glad to hear it. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care. Bye.